For Chiva-Som, sustainability is our vision. Everything we do reflects our commitment to the wellness of our stakeholders. Environmental preservation, renewable energy technology, social and cultural development, and economic sustainability. Chiva-Som is the environmental preservation steward of Krylat Noe, the last remaining mangrove ecosystem in Hua Hin. We have been reforesting the area by planting over 5,000 trees since 2007 to increase carbon dioxide storage in the fight against climate change and for wildlife preservation and education. We bring the community together to build a better future. For Chiva-Som, sustainability is a way of living.